In today's video, we're going to go over how hip weakness can affect your low back. If you have low back pain, especially while you're standing and you can't figure out why, let's check how strong your gluteus medius or gluteus medii muscles are. One simple way to check that out is to stand on one leg. So go ahead and put your hands kind of on your hip bones like this, and you want to stand on one leg. Now notice if your hands stay level, or if you lift a leg up, automatically your one hand drops down, particularly the hand that is on the side of the leg that you lifted. Now if you find yourself dropping like that, that is not good. We need to work on that. So what happens every time you take a step, you're lifting a leg up to take a step, but then you're losing the support of that gluteus medius muscle. And so our spine is going to constantly be pressing on one side more than the other, creating arthritis and irritation in your spine. So we need to strengthen those gluteus medii muscles so that when you stand on one leg, you don't drop down like that. Let me show you a simple exercise you can do. Actually, there's two exercises you can do. One is just to simply work on standing on one leg and lifting the other hip up, okay? It's very exciting. You just do a little like, lifting your hip up and down like that. That's going to strengthen this gluteus medius muscle. It's very exciting. And it also works on your one leg stand or your balance, okay? I would just do this until you feel some fatigue in that muscle, okay? Up and down like this. And that will help strengthen that gluteus medius muscle. There's one more simple exercise you can do to work on your muscle there, and you'll need a chair for that. Let me grab my chair. Can you still see me? Can you see my knees? Probably not. Okay. Can you see my knees? Okay, so for this exercise, all you're going to do is stand up. So when you stand up, take a look at your knees. You don't want your knees to cave in like this when you stand up. You want your knees to be straight out in front of you. Kind of imagine you have lights on your knees. And as you stand up, you want the lights to go forward. Okay? You don't want your lights to cave in like this when you stand up. If you just focus on that fact, when you're going from sitting to standing, you're going to be working your gluteus medius muscles. So you can just do 10 of these guys, stand up and down, making sure your knees face straight ahead. It's very exciting. All right, so those are two little exercises that you could work on really throughout the day. The one leg stand you could work on while you're brushing your teeth in the morning. When you're sit to stand, it doesn't take very long to do 10, but if you just practice every time you stand up to keep your knees straight in front of you, you'll be on your way to having less back pain because of glute medius weakness. If you have any questions about that, please feel free to leave it in the comment section below. I'd love to help people with this type of problem. And if you have received some value from this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe if you'd like to hear some more. So we'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.